Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make circle photo in Miss Word. Let's open the Word document. There, in Insert, click on Pictures and click on this device. Select the desired image and click Insert. You are going to adjust the image, and from the Picture Format menu, click on Crop and select Crop so that you can adjust the image to the desired size. Again, select the image, and from the Crop menu this time click on Crop to Shape and choose the oval option. The image will automatically adjust to that shape. You will right-click on the image to select the Format Picture option. Here in the side panel, go to Fill and Lines, display the line option and check the Solid Line option. Adjust the color and width of the line. Now you will see your circular photo, and you can have it in the Word document by clicking on Wrap Text and choosing the option in front of text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.